Hi guys, it's Dhruva. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is probably the first video that is coming on the channel after I got married. But we are back. I took a break, but we are back, and a lot of exciting content is coming on the channel. A lot of the wedding videos, a lot of the wedding planning series. We're planning everything out. So a lot is in the pipeline. So super excited for that, and you guys stay tuned for everything. I'm back at my old setup because I still haven't, set video filming setup at Kunal's place, but I'm on it. But till then, this is the setup that we are going to use. It's super convenient, the lights are great, and I love how it works. So I'm in Bharuch only, so I can always come down here and film my videos. So yeah, today I have a very exciting video for you guys. It's a product review video obviously, and it's with an amazing brand called Derma Essentia. So they've sent me their skincare essentials kit of 2022. I'm doing the intro again because I said 2020 in the last video. I'm so used to saying that, but it is their skincare essentials in 2022. So this is a beautiful skincare essentials kit which I'm going to review for you guys. So yeah, if you're interested in this video, continue watching. If you're new on my channel, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to this video, share this video, and without wasting any further time, let us quickly dive into reviewing this kit. So let's go. Alright, so like I said, I have this super fancy Derma Essentia Skincare Essentials kit with me. So let me quickly unbox it for you guys. So the kit has 3 products: a vitamin C face wash, a vitamin C serum, and an ultra hydrating moisturizer. So let me quickly show you what the kit looks like. So this is what the kit looks like, super fancy, and the products are even better. So let us start with the first product, which is their vitamin C face wash. So this is what the product looks like. The packaging is really professional. The product is amazing. I have been personally using all 3 products for the past 5 days, and now I'm reviewing them for you. So far the products have worked amazingly well for me. As you can tell, my skin is super dull because of Maldives. I am super tanned, and I feel vitamin C skincare products are working really well for me right now. So yeah, this is what I'm using since the past 5 days, and I'm going to use it for even longer because I'm seeing good results. But I'll be able to actually judge the products after a month of using. So stay tuned for a more detailed review on my Instagram, but right now I'm giving you a review of all the products in general. So the vitamin C face wash, this is the packaging. Like I said, it comes with a brush, which is something I absolutely love because it's so convenient. You just have to press from here and foam. The liquid face wash converts into foam, and you can simply use it to wash your face and then rinse it off. So absolutely love this kind of face washes. This is basically for people who have hyperpigmentation, dull skin, dark spots, uneven skin tone. So vitamin C works really well. This is 100 ml packaging, and is priced at rupees 475 if you buy it individually. What they've written about the product is that it improves skin radiance, it energizes dull skin like I said, and it has antioxidant protection. Yeah, so this is something that I've been using, and trust me, this is one of the best vitamin C face washes that I have tried, and I'm going to continue using it. So yes, I do recommend this. Moving on to the next product, which is their vitamin C serum. This has 7% vitamin C in it. Look at the packaging, it's super cute. And one unique thing about the packaging that I love about the serum is that it has this beautiful, very unique and creative way to use the serum. You press it from here and you can pick the serum like this. I have tried and tested a lot of serums, that. So this is something unique and cute that I found about it. So yeah, the packaging is super fancy. So yeah, this is what the serum bottle looks like. It smells amazing. I absolutely love it. And another thing that I love about the serum is that it gets absorbed onto my skin really quickly, like in seconds. It's water based, non-sticky, non-oily, yet when you use it, it makes you feel extremely hydrated. I'm going to use this serum because I've already washed my face with this before I began filming the video, and I wanted to leave the two steps, the serum and the moisturizer, for the video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a few drops of serum, a little more, yeah, and then I'm going to dab it on my face. Trust me, it smells heavenly. See, it's already gotten absorbed onto my skin, and if you can tell from the camera, look at my face, it's shining. It actually is promoting radiance onto my skin and providing my skin with the right kind of moisture. So this is again perfect for those who have dark spots, who have dull skin, who have uneven skin tone, hyperpigmentation. Trust me, I have all of those problems right now. I have dull skin, I have uneven skin tone, so this is what I have been using. Absolutely love it. It is not like usual vitamin C serums, you know. I have made a few videos about vitamin C products, and some of the feedbacks that I've got is that it's oily, I am having acne after using it. But trust me, I don't think any of you would have any sort of side effects from using this. But still, no matter what brand you try, what products you use, I always recommend you to do a patch test. How to do a patch test? You can take the product, apply it over here at the back of your ear, which is another sensitive zone but not visible, so you can apply it there. See if your skin is reacting to it within 24 hours. If not, then you're safe to use that product. So always do a patch test whenever you're trying a new product. This serum comes in a 15 ml container. This is priced at rupees 950, but the kind of serum it is, it has to be on a little expensive side, but trust me, this is going to be an investment. This is antioxidant collagen booster, not to forget, and is perfect for skin brightening. I personally use the serum by taking it on my hand. You can use the serum like with the droplet directly on your skin. I personally avoid doing it because if I'm having some kind of, you know, acne or something on my face, if I'm going to, you know, have the droplet touch my face, then dip it inside, I'm going to, you know, ruin the product. And also, if 2 or more people in the family are using the same product, always take it on your palm and then dab it gently on your skin. So yeah, this is about the vitamin C serum. Alright, so moving on to the third skincare essentials by Derma Essentia is their ultra hydrating moisturizer. This is for people who have normal to dry skin. My personal skin type is dry, and it's even drier because of the winter. So if you have normal to dry skin, then this moisturizer is perfect for you. The key actives of this moisturizer are ceramide, aquaryl, and provitamin B5. It comes in this 100-gram tube, and this is super enriched hydrating moisturizer that contains the triple skin boosting power of ceramide 3, provitamin B5, and aquazyl. It keeps the skin almost twice as hydrated and delivers instant moisturization and makes skin appear dewy and plump. So I have applied the serum, and now I'm going to top it off with this hydrating moisturizer. My skin is actually appearing a little bit, you know, brightened after you know, the serum. And now I'm going to apply this moisturizer again. Take a little bit of it on your palm. Again, this smells amazing. This is not a regular moisturizer. It's very hydrating and gets absorbed onto the skin really quickly. It's light in formulation, not very heavy, not very sticky, but still very hydrating. Always apply on the neck, never forget your neck. And I would personally suggest you guys to, you know, massage it. Massage whatever moisturizer you're using. Always massage it for 3 to 5 minutes to increase blood circulation. So yeah, I'm done, and just look at the texture of my skin. So honestly, when you apply any makeup or anything on this, your makeup is naturally going to look more dewy, more bright, more plum. So yeah, but on most days I just use the face wash, the serum and the moisturizer and leave it as is. And you have people asking you, what have you applied on your face, how do you look so bright and vibrant? Well, this is the secret for now. So yeah, absolutely love the moisturizer. If you were to ask me to pick anyone, I would pick the moisturizer first, the serum second, and the face wash third. But again, all of these products are actually essentials for 2022. So yeah, I'll leave a link to the products and the kit in the description box of this video if you want to make a purchase. If you have tried any of these products, or if you end up trying after watching the video, let me know what you think about these products in the comment section of this video. Also, if you guys have any new products in mind which you want to try but are hesitant buying, leave them in the description box below. I'll make sure to order their product or contact the brand, try the product for you, leave a review for you, so before you buy you have a review about the product. So yeah, let me know what you think about this video, let me know what you think about the products, let me know what you want to watch in the future. Like I said, I have a lot of wedding content coming on the channel, super excited for that. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Like this video, share this video, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Till then, bye.